A very good morning to all of you. Now we will discuss about the chapter number 6, the price elasticity of demand. In this chapter, simply we will discuss about the major 5 topics: the concept of elasticity of demand, the meaning of price elasticity of demand, how to measure the price elasticity of demand, what are the different situations of elasticity of demand, and what are the different factors which affect the price elasticity of demand. Okay, now we will discuss the first one, concept of the elasticity of demand. अब तक जो हमने प्रीवियस टॉपिक में स्टडी किया, हमने ये स्टडी किया कि एक प्रोडक्ट में के डिटर्मिनेंट में आने वाले चेंजेस की वजह से क्या होता है, उसके डिमांड में चेंजेस आते हैं, राइट? वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट that the changes came into the existence. There is a relationship between the prices and the determinant of a demand. But now the question arise, हमें ये नहीं पता, ऐसा नहीं है कि हर प्रोडक्ट में सिमिलर लेवल के चेंजेस आए. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइज कि एक प्रोडक्ट के प्राइस में सपोज चेंज आता है, तो उसकी डिमांड में, क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में कितना चेंज आता है, right? So the question, in order to find out the answer of this question, we will have to study about the concept of the elasticity of demand. कि इलास्टिसिटी मेनली क्या मेजर करता है कि एक कमोडिटी के अंदर उसकी क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में किस लेवल तक का चेंज आया, अप टू विच एक्सटेंट द चेंजेस टेक्स प्लेस, ड्यू टू विच रीजन, ड्यू टू द चेंज इन द ओन प्राइस ऑफ द commodity, due to the change in the डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ द कमोडिटी. कि जो डिटर्मिनेंट हमने डिस्कस किए थे, एज लाइक द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी, इनकम ऑफ द कंज्यूमर, the price of the related goods were there, the taste and preference, future expectation. So due to the change in any of the determinant, up to which extent the quantity demanded will changes, that extent will be measured by the elasticity of demand. So simply we can say the elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a good to change in its price of other goods and change in consumer income. इलास्टिसिटी में हम देखते हैं कि कितने लेवल पर चेंजेस आया, किस एक्सटेंट तक चेंजेस आए एक कमोडिटी की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड के अंदर, किस वजह से, उसके किसी भी डिटर्मिनेंट में आने वाले चेंज की वजह से. So here the elasticity can be of 3 types: price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand, as per the name indication, it just measures the changes in quantity demanded due to the changes in the own price of the commodity. Income elasticity of demand, it measures the changes in quantity demanded due to the change in the income of the buyer, as per the name indication. It is called the income elasticity of demand. Third one is there, that is the cross elasticity. Cross elasticity means, as like the cross price effect, price of the related goods. It measures the changes in quantity demanded of one commodity due to the changes in the prices of the another one, the related goods. Either the, we can call the substitute goods or the complementary goods. Any of them, if there is any kind of the changes in them, it will lead to the changes in the quantity demanded of that particular good also. That is known as the cross elasticity of demand. But in our syllabus, as per our chapter, we can say there is only the topic of the price elasticity of demand. So we will discuss about the concept of the price elasticity of demand. What is the meaning of the price elasticity of demand? As per the name indication, which I already told you, कि प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी क्या मेजर करता है कि किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में कितना चेंज आया है ड्यू टू द चेंज इन द प्राइसेस ऑफ दैट कमोडिटी. तो ये अल्टीमेटली हमें क्या बताएगा? इट विल टेल यू अबाउट द, देयर इज ए, वी नो वेरी वेल दैट देयर इज अ negative relationship between the prices and the क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ऑफ ए कमोडिटी, कि अगर प्राइसेस बढ़ते हैं तो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड कम होता है, प्राइसेस कम होते हैं तो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड बढ़ता है. सो सिंपली इट विल टेल यू that the percentage decrease in quantity demanded due to the percentage increase in prices, or percentage increase in quantity demanded due to the percentage decrease in prices. Any of that can be there. So it will ultimately tell you the degree of change in demand in response to a change in own price of the commodity. Now the question arises how we can measure it, the measurement of the price elasticity of demand. The percentage, it is also known as the percentage change method. So percentage change method, as per the name indication, ये हमें क्या बताता है? It will tell you that what is the actual percentage change in the quantity demanded of a commodity due to the percentage change in the prices of a commodity. How you can calculate it? You can calculate it with the help of a proper formula. See like this. Elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is simply equal to the, there will be a negative sign always. Why? Because there is an inverse relationship between the quantity demanded and price changes. So above you will have to write percentage change in quantity demanded will be divided by percentage change in price. अब ये कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा? अगर हमें ये कैलकुलेट करना है कि क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में क्या चेंज आया है, तो आप पहले तो चेंज लिखेंगे, विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय इनिशियल डिमांड इनटू 100. सेम सिमिलर इन द केस ऑफ प्राइस, change in price, initial price into 100. How you will write it in the form of the variable terms? Q1 minus Q means the next one demand minus previous demand divided by previous demand. P1 minus P divided by P. How we can represent it? Change means delta Q divided by Q, delta P divided by P. So this will be equivalent to the change in Q by Q will be divided by change in P by P. Or we can also write it like this, change in Q by Q into P by change in P. This is the ultimate method for finding out the elasticity of demand. The simple thing, change in P by Q divided by multiply change in Q by change in P. Elasticity of demand, Q initial demand, P initial price, Q1 new demand, P new price, change delta Q change in demand, delta P is change in price. Now we will discuss one of the example of it. See this very carefully. Suppose एक आइसक्रीम है, उसका इनिशियल प्राइस कितना है? 4 रुपीज. इट मीन्स P is 4. इनिशियल डिमांड कितनी है? 1 कप. इट मीन्स Q is 1 कप. प्राइस आइसक्रीम का कितना कम हो गया? 2 रुपीज पर कप. पहले 4 था, फिर 2 हो गया. इट मीन्स सेकेंड वन वी कैन कॉल न्यू प्राइजेस आर 2. और न्यू क्वांटिटी कितनी हो गई? 4. तो चेंज कितना आया? अब change in P means P1 minus P2, 2 minus 4 minus 2. Change in Q, Q1 minus Q, 4 minus 1, 3 cups. Now you will put it into the formula in the elasticity of demand. P, Q, change in Q, change in P. तो P हमारा क्या था सबसे पहले? इनिशियल P 4, इनिशियल Q 1. देन सेकेंड क्या था हमारा? चेंज इन कितना आया था? चेंज हमारा आया 2. क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में चेंज आया 3 कप्स. और प्राइसेस में कितना चेंज आया? -6. सो द आंसर इज 6. इट मीन्स ये 1 से ज्यादा हो गई, द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज ग्रेटर देन यूनिटी. The different forms of elasticity also we will discuss in the later one topic. So this was the way to find out the price elasticity of a commodity.